Dr. Lambeau, the hot spring in Japan is awesome.
So is the Forex market here. Okay, let's get started. I will enlighten you on the best time for Forex trading. The best time in Forex trading. The Forex market is open for 24 hours in a day. However, this does not mean that it's very volatile throughout the day. For example, Tokyo's market is open from 0 a.m. GMT to 8 a.m. GMT. As such, it is common for the Japanese yen exchange rate to be subject to significant fluctuations. Nevertheless, the Tokyo Forex market is the smallest of the top 3 markets. Subsequently, its active trading hours have a lesser momentum compared with those of the US and Europe markets. While Japan's market trend can be less obvious, various tweaks and price corrections occur. The market becomes active again at around 7 o'clock GMT when the London Forex market opens. London is one of the world's largest financial hubs. Banks around the world begin to trade actively after London market opens. This usually leads to more volatility and price action during this time. Any changes in fundamental factors such as Europe's interest rate, GDP and CPI will also drive movements in the market. From 12 a.m. GMT to 4 p.m. GMT, the London Forex market overlaps with that in New York. During this period, most international banks make deals leading to high volume and volatility. As such, it is easier for investors to find carry trade opportunities during this period. Notably, the U.S. has established the most active Forex market in the world due to its financial strength. For this reason, investors who trade in the U.S. session tend to have greater odds to generate more profits. The release of any fundamental economic data can affect the Forex market to a certain degree. Such economic data include interest rates, CPI, PPI, unemployment rate, non-farm job reports, as well as Fed conferences and their decisions. Some Forex traders tend to trade the news. This means that they use news and market events in the economic calendar to stay abreast of the latest information. Okay, now let's go over what we've learned today. The Asian market only sees modest movements in the first place. The best trading hours are from 7 a.m. GMT to 10 a.m. GMT, Asian and European sessions, and from 12 a.m. GMT to 4 p.m. GMT, European and North American sessions. Will hunting, don't forget to take the quiz. Okay, this is what we've learned today. In the next video, we'll learn the jargon in Forex trading.